So students, let us see one more problem based on trigonometric identities. This is also very easy to solve, but a bit tricky. Just see. Prove that 2 secant square theta minus secant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant power 4 theta, this entire expression is equal to cot power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta. Let us take this entire LHS and we need to get it. Just see what happens. LHS. LHS part would be what? 2 secant square theta minus secant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta plus cosecant power 4 theta. We took it like this. Now for my convenience, again I want to group the terms for adjusting into some identities. Just see. Cosecant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta. Let us write it down first. Cosecant, sorry. Okay. Cosecant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta. And this would be, next one would be your 2 secant square theta. Okay, and minus secant power 4 theta. 4 theta. Now, let me tell you something, that when you add and subtract the same number to the given expression, expression remains same or not? Okay, if you add and subtract the same number to the given expression, expression remains same. There will be no change at all. So here, for my convenience, again I want to add and subtract 1. So if you cancel these two, it remains same. Okay. So anyways, now let me do some more rearrangement in this. Okay. So cosecant power 4 theta minus 2 cosecant square theta. Here plus 1 we take it here. Plus 1. Okay. Plus 2 secant square theta minus secant power 4 theta minus 1. Now let me do something here. I want to adjust this I want to rewrite this like how? I want to write this cosecant power 4 theta as cosecant square theta for that whole square minus. For my convenience, again I want to write here as cosecant square theta 2 into cosecant square theta into 1. If you write into 1, there will be no change, no? So, and now this 1 I am expressing as 1 square. We can write it like this or not? Yes. Next. Now do something. Here 3 more terms are left over. Do something. Here take common from these, takes minus sign common from all those. Take minus sign common from all those. When you take minus sign common, put the bracket. Then when you take minus sign in common, then symbols of or signs of inside terms will be changed. So now this minus secant power 4 theta becomes plus secant power 4 theta, and this plus 2 secant square theta becomes minus 2 secant square theta, and minus 1 becomes plus. Got it or not? Now consider this cosecant square theta as A and 1 as B. Then this is in the form of what? A square minus 2AB, and this is B square. So is it in the form of A square minus 2AB plus B square or not? So it can be further written as A minus B whole square, where A is cosecant square theta. Okay, cosecant square theta, and B is 1. So cosecant square theta minus 1 whole square, which is A minus B whole square form. Okay, minus of. Again adjust here also same. This can be further written as secant square theta for that whole square minus 2 into secant square theta into 1 also I want to write this term. Okay, plus 1 can be expressed as 1 square. Okay. Like this I wrote. Again this is in the form of what? A square minus 2AB plus B square. So this is also the expansion of A minus B whole square. So further we can write it as cosecant square theta minus 1 whole square minus of, this is secant square theta is a and b is 1, so a minus b whole square, that would be a secant square theta minus 1 whole square. Okay, somehow it is simplified, but not completely. We need some more simplification here also, because we need to get the answer in terms of cot and tan. Let us do further simplification, and for that we'll use the trigonometric identities like okay, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. You know this is a trigonometric identity, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, so now do one thing, replace this 1 to this side and replace this minus tan square theta to other side. Okay, then what happens? Secant square theta plus 1 becomes minus because its sign changes, and here also minus tan square theta its sign changes from minus to plus, so therefore it becomes plus tan square theta on going that side. And one more identity we have, third identity, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta, its value is 1, already know. Okay, here also you send this 1 to this side and send this cot square theta to another side. Then what happens? Cosecant square theta, here plus 1 will be minus 1, and here minus cot square theta will be plus cot square theta. Okay, now these two are the two different results which we need to use here to convert the given convert the obtained expression in terms of tan and cot. Let us do this. Now just see here, this is cosecant square theta minus 1, so here cosecant square theta minus 1 can be replaced by cot square theta, right? So do it, cot square theta whole square minus secant square theta minus 1 can be replaced by what? Here secant square theta minus 1 can be replaced by tan square theta, so therefore write down here tan square theta for that whole square. Now cot square theta whole square will be what? Cot power 4 theta minus this is tan power 4 theta or not? Yes, tan power 4 theta. I think we obtained our required RHS part. So this would be equal to what? RHS. So we took LHS and successfully obtained RHS. So we could solve it by using secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Like this we can solve. And remember this problem was given in CBSE 2000. And after that also sometimes it was given, but I mentioned for 1 year. Okay, anyways guys, if you did not understand anything or if you are expecting anything else from us from your syllabus of mathematics and physics, then don't forget to put them in the comment section, and we'll definitely consider your comments, and based on valid comments we'll try to make the videos also. So for today this is it.